So you came to Florence Academy, studied at Florence Academy. Now what? You will get a 6 months internship for all the courses, 2 year, 1 year. Then what happens? We help you with the placement in all 5-star hotels. You will be in the kitchen as a commis chef, and then from that it depends on your talent. તમે કેટલું ભણ્યા છો એના ઉપર તમારા બધા ટેલેન્ટ્સમાં તમે આગળ વધશો. સો પ્લેસમેન્ટ will be in 5-star hotels. I can name very few like Taj, ITC, Radisson, all the popular hotels. You will get your placement. If you go abroad like Canada and Australia, the certificate that we provide for a 2-year and 1-year course are valid. So you can get a very good job, a white collar job anywhere you go outside of India. So તમે અમદાવાદમાં આવો, please visit the Florence Institute at Jodhpur Village. We are right across Heaven Park Lane, and we will show you around our facility, and I'm sure that you will be very, very happy with what you see over here.